Today is September the 20th, 2024. This is a 1987 Jeep Grand Wagoneer that belongs to one of our customers from Charleston, South Carolina. We did a complete new paint job on this car, and the color on it is Spinnaker Blue. It is one of the prettiest colors that they ever had on a Wagoneer. I'm going to walk around so you can see everything. You can see the shine on it with the reflection that's on there right now from the sun. It is a beautiful color, and it's a beautiful car too. It's been very well taken care of. As you can see, the paint job on it is immaculate. Now I'm going to show you the inside of it now. Nice brown color. Interior is in extremely good shape. Carpet's in good shape too. We put a new headliner on this one because this car's got a sunroof, and you can see the bubble part right here where you have to do it for the sunroof to slide back. I'll slide this back a little bit here for you so you can see. We also repaired the driver's seat, and it matched up extremely well. Now I'm going to walk around to the front. And I'm going to open up the hood. Just a second, please. I'm going to show you the engine because we put a brand new engine in it also. Now this one has got a 401 in it, which is extremely rare. Not a lot of these cars came with a 401 in it. We rebuilt the engine totally. It's got a new water pump, new distributor, flex plate, new spark plugs and wires, hoses, gaskets, everything on it. It's also got a rebuilt transmission in it that we did when we had the engine out of it. Now I'm going to walk around here and I'm going to start it up so you can hear it run. Also too, this one we put Tech fuel injection on it, so it should start pretty easy. As you can hear, it started right up. See how quiet and smooth it is? Like I say, it is a 401, so it's got a little more power and a little more torque than the standard 360. You can see the Tech fuel injection system. gauges that works the fuel pressure on it. So it's got a new fuel pump and all. This is an extremely good running car. Very nice. I'll go around to the back so you can hear it running back there. See how smooth and quiet it is? This car only has 62,000 miles on it. But see how clean and nice it is on the inside. We also put new door lock actuators and flex plates, flex racks. Go ahead and turn it off now. Like I say, this is one beautiful car. Wheels are in extremely good shape. Everything about this car is up to snuff. Very nice automobile. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video because I know you're going to enjoy the car. Thank you. Bye-bye.